Next bit. What bit's next?
Step 4. Attach 1 times part H to bottom, pull on part G, use 1 times 30 millimeters screws 2 and attach 1 times part H to part F, use 1 times 40 millimeters screw 1.
You understand that?
No.
Oh, wait,
Screw 1 is
that bit we're on, aren't we?
40 millimeters.
Step 4.
There.
Attach 1 part H. So we need H. H is one of the 4 leg stands.
I reckon this is that screw. Yeah, this is that screw.
You put it in the bin.
Is it? No, it isn't. It's one side.
You need one of the legs at the minute,
This,
mate.
this one's that. This one's this. That's a 40 millimeter screw. Is this screw 4 centimeters?
What do you need? You need...
And this is screw 1.
Hang on, I can't see, mate. 1 and 2. Need the biggest ones and the next biggest ones.
What does that mean?
Well, there's 1 and a 2.
So this one,
But you need your legs.
that one, and that one.
Yeah, you need your 4 legs. I'll have to help you with this bit.
Need 4 legs.
Yep, so we're going to attach the legs to this bit here.
What?
We'll do that off camera because it'll take a while.
Okay.
We're going to attach 4 legs to there.